function I will show you is comment by keyword. First, we will set the number of concurrent threads as my PC will run 10 threads. Switch account if error continues 3 times, and maximum use per account. You want each account will comment tweet by how many keywords you just set here, like we had said before. If you don't want to modify, you just use our configuration is okay. Okay, because the function is comment by keyword, so you should have the keyword list here. Maybe I will do an example marketing or automation software. Okay, each keyword align the software will find the tweet by the keyword list and comment at the post. Okay, and the post comment, you could choose automatically by AI. If you want to rewrite your comment content, you should have an API key in system installation here. Okay, and if you want to comment by your own content, please choose by input file, and you could enter the content here with a spin structures like have automation tool. Okay, and press save. And with the comment content, you could add hashtag, just like the posting tweet. Add hashtag align marketing or MKT software. Okay, and you could tag user, and if you choose do not comment duplicate content between account, means each account will comment with different content. That means you should have like a lot of content in here. So if you want to comment just by one or two content, please don't take it. And we have interaction post before you comment on the post, like live post or bookmark page, or randomly follow post owner or repost the tweet. Okay, after you have set the configuration, please select the account category and press load and press start. Okay, I won't talk user. Press start to begin comment by keyword. Okay, this video is all about how to add account, how to add proxy, how to add content, post tweet, and comment by keyword. So tell me if you need any function later. I will do more video to show you about the features of MKT Twitter called MKTX. See you in our next video. Goodbye.